guys, so I'm about to share some videos of myself using the Cerakote trim coat wipes on our used golf cart that we just purchased. It is a little bit of a fixer-upper, it's not bad at all, but it needed a little bit of a refresh, and I had seen a lot of videos online for Cerakote and how amazing the product was for freshening up the plastic pieces. So I went ahead and bought it, and I used it so that I could be your guinea pig, and I'm going to show you everything along the way, and then I'm going to tell you my thoughts at the end. Full heads up, this is the next day. I have already done it, and I'll tell you right now, it's easy. Watch along and I'll tell you my thoughts at the end. So here's my final update with the trim coat. The stuff is awesome. On the pieces of plastic that were pretty good to begin with, the front bumper, the handles, the tire guards, those pieces, they look new, as you see in the after photos. The places where it didn't work as well were the pieces that were really worn. So the floorboard, for example, was pretty worn out, and as I was wiping it on, it just wasn't taking. It was like it was absorbing all of it. So we're just gonna get a new floorboard mat for that has this really cool diamond pattern. It's no big deal. I also tried to apply it to some of the metal pieces just to see what would happen. Some of the metal pieces that were kind of dull, and it didn't. I don't know, I have mixed feelings. Some of the pieces where I put it on looks good, and some of the pieces it didn't really do much. So I'm not sure if that worked or not. Overall, the Cerakote product is awesome. The price point is great. It's very inexpensive at $20, $25, I can't remember. Application process is super easy. Once you prep the car, the prep work does take a little bit of time, but the application process of the product couldn't be easier with the wipes. You don't have to go and clean even lines how they show it. You can just get good coverage on the piece. I will say that they were advertising that the wipes go a lot further than you're expecting them to. I found that they went about as far as I was expecting them to with a lot of product on it. So I went through all 10 wipes, and I probably could get into my second package and go over a few more pieces a little bit more, but I am a little bit detailed like that. So 10 out of 10, recommend. If you have anything that has plastic on it that could use a refresh, I highly recommend this product. That's the bottom line. That's that. Thank you for watching this video on Cerakote. I hope that helps you decide whether or not to buy the product. I hope that you do buy the product because it actually is really incredible. I'm also going to be making a video on some of the other things that we're doing to fix this golf cart up, including painting the roof and reupholstering the seats. And I hope that these videos are helpful if you are wanting to buy a used golf cart and make it look like new. Bye!